beautiful family. Today I want to share with you a very delicious avocado and feta salad that I know you guys are going to love. But first things first, my apron is on, my hands are clean, and I am ready to show you my ingredients. I want to start by showing you what kind of extra virgin olive oil I am using. And now I am ready to make this amazing dressing. It's really creamy. The flavors are just amazing. And of course, I am adding first, getting the juice of the lemon. And these are organic lemons. I want at least 1/4 of the juice of the lemon. And of course, remember, remove the seeds. With this little gadget, I could really take out all the juice of the lemon. I'm going to remove the seeds. And once this is done, I am ready to continue adding the rest of the ingredients for this amazing vinaigrette. Look at this. I am adding the extra virgin olive oil, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. Nice and mixed. And now let me show you the texture of this amazing dressing. I think I'm gonna add a little more of the lemon juice. Look at this. This is ready. The aroma just amazing. Let me taste. Oh my gosh, perfection made at home. And now I am ready to assemble this amazing salad. I have 2 cans of corn. I'm going to put it aside. I am ready to start slicing the red onion. The red onion I'm going to slice nice and thin, and then I am going to pull it apart. I want to make sure that the onion really releases all the amazing flavors into the rest of the vegetables. Yes, I am using a whole red onion. Nice and thin. Slice it nice and thin so that when you add it into the corn, it really incorporates and really infuses everything with the flavor of the onion. I love onion. So now that I have pulled it apart, I am ready to add it into the corn. Let me show you. The color looks just amazing. It's really nice and thin. And now let me continue. I have 2 jalapenos. I'm going to take the stems. I'm going to take the seeds and the vein out of the jalapeno. I want this avocado salad to be, not to be spicy, but to have those amazing flavors of the jalapeno. Look how easy it is to remove the seeds and remove the vein. Of course, if you want it a little bit spicy, instead of using the jalapeno peppers, you could use 2 serrano peppers. I'm going to continue deveining and getting the seeds out. Once this is done, I'm going to slice nice and thin the jalapenos, and then I'm going to cube them in small little pieces. The smaller they are, the more they're going to incorporate into the rest of the ingredients. Look at this. I am ready to put it into the corn. And of course, I am going to continue adding all these jalapenos inside. And now I have the coriander, the cilantro. I'm going to dice it in very small little pieces. Dice it nice and fine so that it really incorporates with the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, this avocado salad goes with everything. You name it. It's nice and fresh, nice and crispy. And of course, I am using my organic avocados from my tree. Look how beautiful they look. They're really creamy. The flavor of the avocado, just amazing. I'm going to go ahead, cut in the center, remove the seed, and then I'm going to cube it. Slice it, cube it, and then I'm ready to add it into the rest of the ingredients. Let me tell you, once you make this avocado salad, you're going to fall in love with it. Really healthy, really delicious, with ingredients you might already have in your pantry, in your refrigerator. And now look at this. Look at these amazing colors. Yellow, purple, green, and then your avocado right on the top. I'm not leaving anything behind of the avocado. I'm not leaving anything behind because the avocado is so expensive right now. But these are from my tree. Usually I have avocado year round. Look at this. I am completely blessed. Once you add your avocado on the top, you're ready to add your dressing on the top. I am going to pour it slowly, cover everything, because these colors just look amazing, family. Amazing. I'm gonna cover it, and then I'm ready to add everything, mix everything. Look how beautiful this looks. I can't wait to dig in. And if you got to this part of the video and you like and you love this amazing salad, like, subscribe, and share. And this is how I'm going to enjoy it. The feta cheese I am going to add right onto the plate. I need to taste it. Oh my gosh. Amazing. Can't wait to enjoy it. I'll see you in a bit. I am completely done with this amazing avocado salad, but I am going to enjoy it with the cracker. I wish you guys were here to taste it with me. Excuse me. So delicious. Mamma mia. Perfect. If you like and love this amazing recipe, I invite you to subscribe, leave me a thumbs up, share this video on social media with your friends, with your relatives, so Cooking with Gloria keeps growing. Don't forget to push that notification bell, and if you didn't leave it activated, So every time I make an amazing recipe, yes, you're going to be notified. Before I say I see you soon, I wish you nothing but the best. Peace and love. I love you guys. Thank you for being here. Thank you for being part of Cooking with Gloria. Like, subscribe, and share. And of course, I will stay enjoying this amazing avocado salad made at home with lots of love. Like, subscribe, and share. See you soon. Bye-bye.